lovely peoples, it's Odette here and welcome back to today's video. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching and for tuning in, and thank you for clicking on this video. I do appreciate it. If this is your first time seeing my face here on YouTube, my name is Odette again, and thank you for watching. And if you do like what you see today, please subscribe before you go and thumbs up this video. So I do have a very little haul for you guys, and as you can tell from the title, I picked up a few things from Miss Jaclyn Hill. And I've never actually talked about her or purchased any of her products before, but I think she's such a beautiful person, great personality, bubbly personality, very honest and very, very vulnerable at the same time. And you know, there were so many great reviews on this new launch that she just recently popped out, and I thought, let me just jump on the bandwagon and pick up a couple of things. So we are going to start with You Guys. The packaging is just really nice, and I love this lipstick. You guys would have seen this on Instagram. I am going to insert a photograph for you guys to see this again. It is such a beautiful, deep, rich purple lipstick, perfectly matte, not drying at all, easy to come off with your facial wipes. It is such a stunning, beautiful lipstick. This is it right here, and it's called You Guys. I'm going to do a little swatch for you guys. I don't even want to swatch this because I don't want to waste this lipstick. Just a little on my hands, and I'm gonna tell you, this lipstick will fit any face, any skin tone. It is just a beautiful, beautiful lipstick. Absolutely love it. That's the first one. I'm sorry, this is the first one. It's called You Guys. And so the other one is called Feisty, and I'm wearing Feisty on the lips today. It's a beautiful, deep brown lipstick. Oh my god, it is so gorgeous. I don't even know which one is my favorite, to be honest. And this is it right here. Again, the packaging is really, really cute, and I think Miss JH outdid herself with this new launch. I'm gonna tell you guys, the ultimate best matte lipstick you will ever wear. This is You Guys right there, and this one is called Feisty. There it is, beautiful brown, and I'm wearing this on my lips today. Hope you guys can see that. It is so pretty. Oh my god. I'm actually very excited about these lipsticks, to be honest. And I do have another one. This is called In Control. I haven't worn this one yet, but I'm going to be doing this, doing a makeup video with this one. And again, the packaging is just so cute. Cute, just like Miss Jaclyn Hill. So let's do a little swatch for this one. And you know what though? I really love the color pigmentations in this lipstick. This is it right here in the end. Okay. You Guys, Feisty, and this is In Control. Very, very, very pretty. Gorgeous matte lipstick. There is no gloss to these lipsticks. It's not shining. It's not shining. It's completely matte. And I know sometimes when you put matte lipstick on and you smile, you will see that crack on your lips. Not this one. It stays in place and it stays all day. So I got 3 of them from her. Again, the packaging is quite cute. Absolutely love that. And I know you guys did love You Guys when I wore this on Instagram. No pun intended. And I also picked up her eyeshadow palette, and I think this is a collaboration with her mom. And there was just some pictures on the back with some YouTubers, and lovely packaging. I'm just going to pull this out for you guys quickly. I don't want to rip the box, so let's just pull that out. There we be, and it has a nice little black cover. And I can tell that she had put a lot of thought into this palette. It says Dear Mom, and of course you do have the Jaclyn initial, the J right there for her name. Okay, very, very pretty palette. And of course Jaclyn is on top. And oh my god, I mean, the colors are just pretty. There is no need for a mirror in this one. The colors are gorgeous. And the names of the colors are actually on the palette, which is really, really pretty. There we go. You guys can see that. And I don't like to swatch eyeshadow palettes because it looks different on your hands and it looks on your eyes. Plus, I don't really want to put my hands in it. But the colors are very, very, very pretty. gorgeous, and it doesn't even remind me of anything that I have in my collection before. Because I know sometimes when you buy eyeshadow palettes and you're going to say to yourself, this reminds me of XYZ, but this doesn't remind me of anything. The colors are quite unique, and I really can't wait to try that. It looks like it's going to be a pretty palette with many looks. I also have from her, this is called the High Volt, and this is loose highlighter powder. Okay, let's open this up. Oh my god, the packaging, guys. Look at the packaging already. So cute. That is just very, very pretty. I haven't used this one yet. So we're just going to open this up. And of course you do have the little protector on the inside. Let me just see quickly if I can remove that. Let me just see what I have. Just remove that. And I just want to see what the highlight is going to look like. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hands. Ooh. Look at that. I've already done my makeup, so let's just see if we can. Ooh, oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Do you see that, guys? That is really... Whoa. And this is just what I have in my hand. And I'm just using my fingers, guys. Ooh. That is so pretty. Just gonna tap that in a little bit. I don't want it to be too bright. Do you see that? That is really nice. It gives you just the right amount of highlights on the cheeks. Very pretty. Very impressed, Miss Jaclyn Hill. Love that. The loose powder highlight. And last, I do have the setting powder. And this one is called Apricot. And let's just see what this one looks like. And again, I don't think anybody can come close to her packaging. Nobody, okay? Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Gorgeous. Nice kind of a translucent packaging right there, if you guys can see. And I'm not wearing any highlighter today, but this is it right here. I'm going to be doing a makeup look using these products for sure. Oh my god. I have absolutely no regrets buying these products from Miss Jaclyn Hill. I mean, the products are really amazing. You can tell. The packaging is quite cute. Now look at that highlighter on my cheeks, because I don't really like, you know, wearing highlighters that's too bold on my face. This is just really, really, really pretty. And I think she really created this line for all skin tones and skin types. Oh my god, this is amazing. So let me just run over again what I got from her. 3 lipsticks. One of them is called You Guys, Feisty, and In Control. 3 lipsticks. I do have the eyeshadow palette here from her as well. I do have the under eye setting powder, and this is the loose highlight, and I did put a little bit of this on my cheeks today. Lovely. So I'm going to leave everything that I got from Miss Jaclyn Hill in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick up 1 or 2 things. And I'm going to be definitely doing a makeup look using these products for sure. But just putting a little bit of that highlight on my cheeks, I'm just impressed already. Totally impressed already. Really, really, really lovely. And the lipstick is called Feisty. Love it. Love it so much. Anywho, I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, I'm going to leave all of these things down below for you guys, just in case you want to pick up on 1 or 2 things. I'm going to be definitely doing a makeup look using these gorgeous products, plus the Dear Mom palette. It's going to be great, because of course I always believe that your makeup should be whatever you want it to be. You want to go bold, you want to go bright, you want to keep it neutral. I mean, I just like to keep it toned down a little bit, because like I always say, I am over 50 and there is really no need for me to be too over dramatic with my makeup looks. But I am loving these products I got from Jaclyn Hill. Very, very impressed. And of course, if you guys want to check her website out and see if you can pick up a couple of things, why not? And on that note, this is the end of the video. I do hope you guys enjoy, and please always remember to treat people the way you want to be treated and be kind to each other. Kindness always pays off. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!